Switching down the right path. Welcome to 2-Minute Tech. Today we're going to talk about using switch statements in flows. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and make a copy of one of our weather checker flows we talked about earlier on. Go into it, turn it on, hit edit, and go back to the old designer. In our earlier conditions videos, we were using a condition statement, which checks a couple of different states, and if they evaluate to true, it goes down this path. Otherwise, it goes down this false path. A switch statement can be added by add an action, control, switch. And they operate a little bit differently because you can have multiple paths. So, for example, we could check the conditions output from the get current weather action and look for sunny, rainy, and cloudy. Switch statements are useful because they have a separate code block for each state, such as sunny or rainy, which makes them clearer and easier to update compared to complex conditional statements. They may also have marginally better performance because Power Automate can snap to specific values rather than running an expensive logical evaluation. If we forget a value, for example, I don't know all of the different weather outputs this can have, maybe we'd have partly cloudy or something like that, then we have a default case over here on the right-hand side that can handle that. I'm going to update this to show you how that works. Give me just a minute. All right, we finished updating the flow here. So for our sunny condition, we have a good weather email, rainy a bad weather email, and cloudy a bad weather email as well. We also have a default email where we want to return the current weather condition. This way the user can still get the current weather conditions even though we didn't handle it in our switch statement. So we'll just pull that conditions output from this action and place it right here. Let's save this and see how it works. Our flow ran and we can see sunny and rainy didn't trigger, but the cloudy case did trigger and sent us an email, which we can see here. Let's edit it and remove that path and see what happens when it goes down the default case. I remove the cloudy path. All right, and we'll go to our switch statement. We can see neither case 1 or 2 ran, so we went down the default path, which returned us the current weather conditions, which were cloudy, because we didn't know how to handle this in our switch statement. This shows how switch statements can send your flow down different paths. What are your favorite uses of switch statements? Please add these in the comments, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue through Power Automate.